Hey, this is Mikey. Alright, so a few weeks ago, I think last month or something like that. Yeah, a few weeks ago. Alright, I was in the park and I was waiting for Juan Carlos to walk to the swing set because we were gonna walk somewhere. I don't know where exactly, but so I was sitting there swinging. You know, it was kind of fun because I was swinging and then I started twisting. So I was swinging while I was twisting, but I got kind of scared because I didn't want to hit the side of the pole. And then, you know, there's people playing basketball, and then they stop and everything, and they're all walking towards me. And you know, I'm thinking, all right, you know, my phone's out, so they're gonna try to rob me, something like that. Nah, they just walk up to the swing set. They walk very close to me. They walk in between me, but then the one black guy, he just starts like climbing the swing set and hanging on it. So I'm like, all right. And then this other Puerto Rican guy, I don't know. He was drunk. I know this because he told me. I thought he was with them, but turns out he wasn't because they left. And I'm like, aren't you with them? He's like, no, I ain't with them. I'm like, all right. So he's like, yo, you want to go buy some liquor? I'm like, no, I don't got money. He's like, yo, I'll give you the money. You want to go buy some liquor? I'm like, nah, I'm not 18. He's like, it's all right. I'm 21. You want to go buy some liquor? I didn't answer him after that point. And then he kept talking to me and stuff. And then he has to use my phone. So I was like, all right. So to call his girl. So after I dialed the number for him and everything, they were talking. Then he went to go stand on the bench. And I was like, all right, you know, there's possibility for a robbery that's about to happen. So anyway, I'm just swinging on the swing. And then I get off. I'm like, I gotta go meet my friend. And so, you know, instead of giving me the phone, he's just talking on it and following me. So I'm like, all right. So then I guess they hang up and he has to call someone else. So I'm dialing the number for him because he told me the number. I hear him say it. He wasn't saying it in his head. He was just saying it. He's like, yo, I'll rob anybody right now. And I was just standing there like, I was thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, you shouldn't rob me though. And so anyway, I dialed the number for him and everything. They didn't answer, so he called his girl back. And then we're walking. I'm walking towards Juan Carlos because, you know, the guy's not going to try to rob me if there's two people right there. Right? So I'm walking towards Juan Carlos. And the guy, he's just like kind of walking beside me. It was kind of fun because I got to point him in any direction I want to go. I'm like, nah, go that way. So he went that way. I'm like, nah, go that way. He went that way. And so we're walking and everything. And then we finally got to the I saw Juan Carlos. He hopped the fence and I went around. So he was inside the park. And now I was outside of the park. Guy was still on my phone. And then, you know, I told him, that's my friend, I gotta go. And, yo, it was crazy. Because that guy, he was talking to that girl. He kept saying, yo, if you want me to leave you alone, just tell me to leave you alone. And I'm pretty sure he said it a whole bunch of times. But then he said something about he feels like shooting her. And I didn't know what to do at that point. I didn't want to. I just didn't know. So anyway, you know, after a little bit, he gave me back the phone and me and Juan Carlos left. And then the number called back, asked me if I called. And I'm like, no, it was some guy. He told me to call you. He was kind of drunk. And the guy on the phone's like, yeah, I know who that was. And I'm thinking, does he do this often to other people? I mean, he just knows who called him. Crazy stuff. Yeah.